Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here to share my version of the Pokey Tools. I know I'm late to the game once again. I wasn't sure if I really wanted to try these or not, but I was lucky enough to find these pins, and I bought these pins. They come in a 2-pack, and I don't know if you can see, from Hobby Lobby. And this jewelry shop was on sale for 50% off, and I had bought what they had because I wanted to make some for my friends and maybe one for myself. I think this one might be the one um, that I am gonna keep for myself, or maybe this one. I think these are the two that I really like the best, but anyway. Um, I've been seeing, I think maybe Bona had shown these. I'm not sure who I saw, when I saw. I just know that there's a lot of people making these. Even on Instagram, I've been seeing them use the big gumball beads, and it's really cool. And a Pokey Tool is, you poke holes in your paper. You can poke out paper out of your dies. Pokey tool. Anyway, and then I added a chain and a lobster clasp to the top of the loop, and it's really cool. I did not glue any of the beads down because I feel I may find some other beads that I could use for these later on, and I can change them out, and I don't have to be committed. So when you buy these, they come with these little rubbery protectors so you don't poke yourself, but you can definitely use these, I want to say they're earring protectors. It's the same thing. It's a rubbery thing, and you poke it. I think I used these for my, oh my god, my stick pins way back when I was making them. So you could add them to this pin so you won't poke yourself, right? I can still feel it, but anyway. And it also came with this cylinder here that I took out, added my beads, and then I put this cylinder back in, and I pushed it as tight as I could, and it holds my beads really well. It doesn't slide anywhere. I mean, it goes around in a circle, but I don't care about that. I mean, that's fine. Um, and it's great, and you can use it for so many things. And I thought this was a really cool idea. I don't know who the original creator that thought of this. And if you do, can you put it down below for me so I could give credit where credit's due? Because there's so many videos that have been showing these, and I don't know who did what, um, but I've been seeing a lot of people make these. So I did this one. This one has like a pale pink faceted bead with like which it has like a flower in it, and I just thought that was so pretty. And then these are just regular pink beads from my stash that I've had for years. And then I think I bought these beads not too long ago, because I think I saw Tina Bean use something similar to these with her panda beads, and I wanted to look for those panda beads, and make one something similar. But anyway, so I did that one. And then these that you see here, I think I bought these glass, and these are glass beads. These are glass beads, and I think I got these at Walmart a while back, and I never knew what I was going to do with them. I just bought them because either they were on sale or they were reasonably priced. But they remind me of rock candy, you know? And it made me want candy. I was like, man, I wish this was real so I could eat it. But anyway, it's very pretty and it's very sparkly. And I have the charms over here. I just made them and I'm going to add them to my chain here, to all of them. And I think this one might get this charm. It's a flower with a clear bead. And you can't really see. Oh, there it is. It's blurry. There you go. And I'm going to add that to here. And then I made this charm here. And they don't really need anything big. Like this one's pretty big, this black and white bead. And I couldn't put this on the bottom because the hole was really big. So I had to use a smaller bead, so not an eye pin, but a, what do you call, flat, I don't know, what do you call these pins? Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So I had to do it this way and to match this Pokey Tool. And then this one is gonna go with this bead or with this Pokey Tool, and it's just a pink clear with a white faceted, I think they're faceted beads, right? Am I saying that right? I don't know. And then these has a pearl and one of the, these are smaller rock candy beads that I used on this one, that I'm going to add to those. So anyway, I hope you guys like these Pokey Tools. They were fun to make, easy to make and put together. And if you've lasted this long in my video, I'm going to give away one of these Pokey Tools, and all you have to do is leave me a comment with Pokey Tool in your comment. Then I know to enter you in a drawing for one of these. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.